I'm Chef Andies here. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Sesame Crispy Puff. So we have 4 ingredients here. First, high protein flour, followed by low protein flour, custard sugar, and unsalted butter. This is a very simple and easy step. And first step, sugar, followed by unsalted butter. By using the spoon, mix it. You're going to use a strength of press so that it can be mixed easily. When it mixes, you're going to add in the low protein flour and also the high protein flour. We're going to mix until this level and it can become the dough. Roll until the size that you need. After that, cover with a paper. After that, put inside the fridge for about 2 hours time. After we done the puff skin, we got ready the cream puff. First ingredient we have egg, low protein flour, corn oil, unsalted butter, and also the water. So we're gonna cook the puff dough. So first step, water, oil, followed by unsalted butter. After that, we're gonna cook it. After the boil, turn to slow heat. Add in the flour, stir it. We're gonna stir until it becomes the dough. After that, close the heat. So now, we're going to put in the dough into the bowl by using slow speed to release the heat. After that, slowly add in the egg by using medium speed. We're going to mix until this level, sticky, shining, and solid. Now we're going to ready the nozzle of 808 and also a piping bag. place the skin on top of the puff. By using 170 degrees Celsius, bake for 15 minutes. Put it on the center rack. Turn the temperature to 150 for another 15 minutes. So after I ready the crispy cream puff, I gotta ready the cream. Pour in 200 grams of fresh cream. After pour in the fresh cream, by using mixer, turn to medium speed. After it gets firm a little bit, and we need to turn to high speed to whip until it gets firm. We're going to mix until this level. You see the cream is stable, shining and firm. After we ready the fresh cream, you can choose whatever jam that you like. Today we use Sesame Jam. Okay? We may put in about 4 tablespoons to make it more flavor. If you like to have rich flavor, you can actually put in 6 to 8 tablespoons. So how are we going to judge whether the puff is nice? You can see the inner is empty, full of the cream, and out layer is crispy. And this is just nice to eat. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Please subscribe us for more simple and easy baking. Thank you.